Hi, we are here in South Korea, so we are going to visit the Samsung nearest store where you can see the hands-on of S10 5G phone, which is recently launched in all over the South Korea and it will be available in other countries from May 2019. So let's discuss some dimensions, some specifications and some other features about S10 5G. Yeah, you can see there are two front cameras, four back cameras, and and this is, you can see, this is 5G and 3D depth and 8 GB RAM and super fast charging. And there are three options you have, right? 256 GB and 512 GB, and another is this is the in black color. This is 256 GB, and the third one, which is in, you can say, skin brown, so this is 256 GB. And 4K live video, H5G, SG510, S10 5G and 5 cm processor. So that's it.